Hi everyone, it's Sheryl here. Welcome to Sheryl's Journey. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami butterfly. So the things required are an origami paper and some scissors. So the best thing about this craft is no glue required. First you have to do the valley fold like this, and you have to crease it very well. And we have to unfold it and do the same fold in the opposite direction, so that you create a cross in the origami paper. Now we should unfold this, should turn the other side and should do the half fold like this. You should crease it very well like this. You should again unfold it, and you see this little line in the bottom. This is where we did that middle fold. So now what you should do is you should do the two is here like this. Yes, like this. You have to create a triangular and you have created the first part. Do the same with the other side as well. It's very simple. If you have like this, you should fold it like this. Make sure that the corners are crisp. And we should open this again so that you can obtain a result like this. And we should gently press it so that it becomes like this. You can get 4 folds like this, and it's triangular. If you got it wrong, don't worry, you can do it all again. Now that it is ready, we should do like this, the one direction. And you should take some scissors and cut this in a curved way, like this. Now that you are cut in the curved way, you should open it again, like this. And you should do these 2 layers up, like this. So this is a butterfly, and this triangular part in the bottom, you should just fold it to the top, and this little triangle you see here, you should fold it to the top like this. And here you go, your little butterfly. Enjoy. Thank you.